he saw one. As you can tell by his tail. Where'd the frog go? Oh boy. They're all over. Tell Mama. Did you see one? This is the perfect spot for frogs. His tail never stops wagging. He has seen a couple as they hop out, and he's trying to be brave. I'm trying to be brave, Mama. It's pretty deep, huh? I'm trying. Where'd he go? Where'd you see him? Was he right there? Was he right there? The good thing is there's thunder in the distance, and he's totally not paying any attention to it. You gotta find them frogs. Where'd they go? They can swim better than you, Sullivan. You gonna go see? Is he right there? Is he right over there? Oh, there go one. Oh, there he goes. That was a little one. Just walk along the shore and they'll jump off and you... Oh boy. Oh boy. Too deep for you to venture out, isn't it? Hey, over here. I need a swimmer dog. Huh. Did you find any more? No? Over here, look. Yeah, it's going to get too deep for you. And for me, I got to step over. Now you get to a point where... Now what are you going to do? Is that about it? Okay.